stayed long enough through the intro, you know what I got here. And they go by a few names: the buckle spiral sage, the navigations, or fresh perspectives. That's what they got for these. There you go, check them out. But yeah, finally got around to filming a video. Keep saying that I'm gonna film, but I don't. I'm lazy. Yeah, but I got him anyway. Big old buckle boys, factory laced, as you can see. I like the buckle though. It kind of reminds me of a hiking kind of vibe, or like a restaurant high chair, you know. Some people didn't even like it because of the buckle itself, but as soon as I saw that it was that you could take the buckle off, then I'm like, gotta get them. And I know these came in like a pack with 2 other sneakers. It was the Air Max Plus and the Air Force One. It was part of the Fresh Perspective pack. It was in Foot Locker and Champs exclusive. This particular sneaker I wasn't able to find in stores at all, except in like grade school sizes. That's why I had to get this ordered online and store pickup. Luckily I had a coupon actually, $50 off. And right now I know they're sold out online. I saw them go on for about at least $160. Same with the Air Forces. Other Air Max shoe, I'm not sure. But as far as the colors go, it's very different. There's like yellow, purple, everything, and the gray. So many colors going right here, but it works really well. And it's like a smooth transition between each one. Even with the red, kind of like infrared hits on the back. I'm not sure if it is infrared, but the red on the back just pops. Yeah, I like that it comes off, but because I like the whole outdoorsy vibe, I'm gonna keep them on. With or without, still a very nice looking sneaker. As far as like the compass logos on the sides, I like those too. I don't like just like any type of like Air Max sneaker. I like having collabs or like some type of theme going on with them. I wanted to get Air Max 90, but I was waiting for the right colorway, and this is it right here. Yeah, how about we get some on feet action, huh?